Good afternoon. This is a Salmo Fatso. It weighs 85 grams and it's roughly 6 inches, 16 centimetres long, and it's a floater. I went out this morning and gave it a fish, blanked as usual, but there we go. At least I got out. It's a bit of exercise. You might be able to see there's a few bite marks in this. And I have indeed caught quite a few pike on this, not recently, but some time ago when I used to do a lot more pike fishing. Used to use this quite a bit. It's quite a good lure actually, but I've got a feeling that they don't do this model anymore. I think the models they do now haven't actually got a lip on it, but I've not tried the new ones, if that is in fact the case. The action on it's sort of a bit like this. As I say, I've caught pike on it, probably, I don't know, under 10, but you know, more than 5. And it's a good lure. And I've also caught some perch on it, some nice perch actually, which given its size is, I suppose for me, it was quite a surprise. Yeah, they're not bad lure at all. I use lures like this less and less nowadays, not because there's anything wrong with them, but because I far prefer just fishing lighter tackle, lighter lures. That's a personal choice. One thing I will say about this, I mean, this isn't a massive lure, but it's a big lump of a lure. And 85 grams, you know, it makes quite a bit of commotion when it hits the water. As usual with bigger lures, and for me, they've never equated into bigger pike. Maybe for some people they do, but for me it's like, I still think, you know, the pike that comes along and takes your lure is pure luck. It could be a little £1 jack pike, it could be a £30 pike, and the actual lure you have on, I don't know, doesn't seem to make much difference to me. Someone said to me like a big pike would you know, probably more likely go for a big lure because it saves energy, it doesn't need to eat so often. And there's a lot of sense in that, I suppose, but I've never found that to be the case. As I say, the biggest pike I ever caught, I caught on a fly, about, what, ½ an inch big, so you never know, do you? But there we go, the Salmo Fatso, aptly named because it is a fat little bastard. A good lure, one that I really like. Nice, catches fish. It's all right to fish if you like big heavy lures. There we have it. Nothing wrong with it. Good lure. Salmo makes some good stuff. I've not really had a bad lure off them, to be fair. I like them. There we go.